All right, we're going to be quickly showing you this week's double arch patient here as an upper and lower failing dentition. We've taken facial scans, intraoral scans, and CBCT, all in the same VDO. Turn off the facial scan. This is my occlusal setup. Very happy with this. Occlusal plane's on point. You can actually bring in all the teeth like this, so the occlusal scheme is actually very nice. And so quickly, this is going to be a upper 8 over lower 7. So we're going to be placing 15 implants. And then we're going to be required to do bilateral sinus bumps or sinus floor elevations on both sides, following the Versa protocol number 1. Likely in the anterior maxilla here, we're gonna have to check to see if we have these facial plates. If we don't, we're gonna have to graft them. We're gonna have to open up and graft them. And so this is gonna be a same day immediate load. And then on the maxilla here, I just want to show you this really quickly. In the maxilla, we're going to have a tooth-borne guide. So actually, I have, where is my maxillary STL? Upper STL. That's lower upper STL. Perfect. So we have posterior molars that we're not going to be extracting. We're going to be keeping those. And we're going to do sequential extractions, except we're going to leave these laterals in, whatever that small pieces that we have there. We're going to place our tooth-borne guide, and then we have fully guided sites, and then 2 pilot guided sites in the anterior. Because with the neodent system, the offsets just wouldn't allow it to be fully guided. And then for our lower, we are going to do, this is going to be completely guided. So we're going to have a bone board guide. And actually how we're going to make our pilot holes for our bone borne guide is we'll have a tooth-borne guide to help us make pilot holes. Take off the tooth-borne guide, do all the extractions, place our bone-borne guide, and then refine those same pilot holes because they're all made from the same guide. And so I actually made this in mesh mixer. I'm just going to show you here. Here it is. You can just export everything, create tubes, export everything back over to Blue Sky, and then you can then go ahead to guide panel and create scan appliance guide. And so that works really nice. How are you going to reduce bone, Tevin? Well, you have your reduction guide. So you can reduce your bone, take off your reduction guide, place your fully guided bone-borne guide, and then place your implants. And so this is going to be an upper 8 over lower 7. Cool case.